Hi everyone. Today's agenda is uh, sprint planning. We will be discussing what we'll be planning how the sprint one should go. Here are some backlogs I have created for this for the whole application. Almost there are a lot of stories. We'll discuss what are the stories we will be needing in the sprint one. Coming to this first backlog where we will be needing an upload button for the file selection. Since our application needs a file to process for the AI model to process, I think the upload button is a necessary to be in the sprint one, even for a demo. So I think we should save this in sprint one. And error message for unsupported files. I don't know. Do we need to put this in a sprint one? I don't think it is that necessary. What do you guys think?
I don't think it's like it would be considered maybe like an MVP. I don't think it's completely necessary. We just need to
Hmm.
the important functions to work first, and then we could think about handling
Yeah.
errors.
Okay. Okay. Let's leave that in the backlog. And what about the file upload progress? Ev- Even this one sounds looks like a small task. What do you guys think? Uh, this this user story, we have to show
Oh,
the progress of a file upload.
yeah. I think the progress, but I think for the beginning, I think it would be good to have like the file uploaded. So when you say upload process, you mean like if it's loading?
Yeah, I think yeah, it's about the loading.
Oh, I think it's
Progress by how much file is uploaded into the.
I think it's not really necessary, but I think it would be good to know if the file is uploaded and we can see the file name so that we at least know that the first of us printed, the upload one is working.
Mhm. Okay, so shall we put this in Sprint1?
I think you
Mm,
should, yeah. I mean, it's not gonna hurt to put it. So
Okay. Um, Next one, file size limitation. I don't think this is necessary for now. We
no,
can,
I do not think so either.
yeah. Microphone button for voice input. I think this is necessary. We'll at least just show an voice input for now, the voice button, so that the user can click this button in order to record their voice. What do you guys think? Should we put this in Sprint1?
um could we leave it for a later sprint rather than putting it for sprint one? Because I feel like
Okay.
yeah, I think being
For
able
now,
to
let's
like up
just do the file uploading part.
yeah.
Okay.
sorry. So you guys say the file size is not you don't want to add the file size for now?
Uh, yeah, I mean, it can be
I mean, what if the user try to test it with a file that is like too large?
too large. Yeah. I mean, I was thinking about the sprint one just for the demo part.
Hmm.
Uh, I'm not sure about that as well. It can be in the sprint one or not. Not
I
sure. What
don't
do you
think
guys
we
think, Steve?
need to because it's better. I don't think it would come under the MVP
Mm-hmm.
because just uploading and getting the basic functionality done first is more important than um, limitation the file and play around with it, I think it would take a bit of time. So I think like we can leave this for later. What and then
Oh,
like probably like next spring we can think about the very specific.
yeah, put constants on the next sprint.
Yeah.
For now, let's just test the aware whether it does the main job or not.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. Accurate translation of the input, audio input. I think this is necessary because
I think for this sprint, I think we should demo the transcription, and then for the sprint after that, maybe work on translation. So I think the translation of audio should be left for sprint 2. What do you guys think?
hmm Okay. What do others think?
I think so too, just
hmm
because both transcription would take a different set of um implementation than the transcription. So I think like and you need to get the transcription done first, then only we can go to the translation. So I think we can keep translation as sprint 2.
Okay. Option to confirm or cancel the input file.
I think it could go for sprint 1 since we will be using like uploading an audio, so we should have the ability to like remove the audio as well for sprint 1.
Okay. So let's put this in the sprint one. Okay. Coming to the next one. Audio recording feedback. So user want to see visual feedback during the audio recording so that can. So okay, this is a different part. We are not doing the recording part now. We're just doing the file upload part. So this is for the next print. Language selection for translation. Okay,
Yeah,
so
we'll be doing this.
okay, so let's put this in the print one. Audio input time limitation. Yeah, for now we are not focusing on the constants, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next comes drop down for input language selection. Since we are having language selection for translation, I think this is necessary. Drop down for input selection, language selection. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Drop down for output language selection. Since we are only doing transcription of the input file now, I don't think we need this, right?
Yeah, I don't think it's necessary. If for the UI, if they want to
Hmm.
add it, they can add it, but it's not really necessary since we're only doing transcription.
Okay.
But the output can be in any language, right?
Yeah, I mean, for now, we are only doing transcription for the first
Which
print.
transcription to which language?
I mean, just getting the transcription of the input file.
But the story which we are showing is drop down, right? Like the one which user wants which language to be translated into. I mean, transcripted or something.
Hmm.
Is that not the
We
one?
have,
I mean, we have two different drop down boxes, right? One for the input language and one for the output language. So output can be of any language what user selects, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
Or are we getting only one language as output?
I mean, currently we are not focusing on the output. I mean, we are not translating it.
Yeah, we're only focusing on
We
transcribing. But when we decide we
transcription.
want to, yeah, when we decide we want to do translation, then the user will be able to choose any language they want to translate it into.
So currently it will be only English.
So
What is the output like? What
I mean,
is going to be the
from
output?
what I understand is, let's say we have given an audio of Chinese, okay,
Mm-hmm.
Chinese audio. We will get a transcription of the given audio file in the Chinese, but we won't be getting the translated one yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, where was I? Drop down for output language selection. So we are not doing that now. Copy translated text. I mean, we are not translating yet. So download button for translator. This won't be in the print as well. Supported formats for downloadable file. I think this one is also about the translated part. Yeah, download the translated
Oh, yeah. Mhm.
text.
Yeah, I
Ability
think
to
everything related to translated, you can put it in as Sprint 2, like for our next future sprint.
okay. Ability to save. Yeah. Ability to reuse past translations.
I think that will have to I think that would fall in like the history slash like, signing in portion. I think that would be left should be
Yeah.
later.
Shall what do you guys think? Shall we at least provide some just a UI component for that?
Oh, for the sign in? Yeah, sure.
Okay. I mean, just the front end part. Oh, not this one. Mm, ability to reuse. Yeah. I guess for these two stories, ability to save all the past translations and ability to reuse. Well, for the past translations, it should be automatic, right?
Yes, but currently for this print, we are not focusing on saving something to database, right?
Yeah.
So maybe this can go to next print.
And about this ability to reuse past translations.
Yeah, even to reuse, you need to hit the database to get the past
Uh,
data. So
I think even we can't provide any UI component for this. Okay, let's leave this for the next second. Toggle button for in light mode and dark mode. Okay, I think we can keep this at least for a UI component. What do you guys think?
For this one?
Yeah, toggle button for light and dark mode.
Um,
Just
I I think that could because that doesn't have to do with like the like actual functionality of our whole application. Like it's more aesthetic, so I think we could leave it for later.
okay. Persisting theme presence. This will come in the next print as well. Marking and unmarking a translation as favorite. Okay, what about this? At least I feel we can at least provide a UI component for this, but not work on the back end now. Just the UI part. What do you think? Uh, Basically, for every translation, we will be showing a star or some button, so that once the user clicks, this translation will be marked as one of their favorites.
Hmm.
Although we
It
won't
can be
be
marked
saving.
after the translation, right?
Sorry.
Even if we are not working on the translation,
Yeah.
we are but we have been worked on the transcripts, so it will
Mhm.
be going to next print, I guess.
Okay. Accessing favorite translations. This will go to the next one as well. Header display with logo. I think we can do this.
Yeah.
Just right click, Rakesh.
Oh, okay.
Move to print.
Okay. A drop down menu for profile and settings. What about this? Shall we do this
Nah, not for now.
for now?
Mhm.
Configuring Firebase database. I think we can do this in the next one.
Yeah.
Integrate AI model for audio and file input translation. Well, uh, maybe we won't be doing the translation for now, but at least for the transcription, we will be needing AI model, right?
Yes.
So I think this can go to the print one, at least
Yeah,
some part.
yeah, because we'll use the AI model for the transcription. Yeah.
We have a few more user stories. We have to implement the worker functionality for handling the incoming messages. I think we can put that in the current sprint. And since ensuring this is also related to that uh, user story, so this is also necessary. Convert the audio file into audio data. Since we are preparing the audio input data before feeding that to the AI model, even for the transcription part, I think this is necessary. What do you guys think?
I agree.
Okay. And sending the audio data for transcription, this is necessary as well in order to get the transcription. And once we get the transcription, I think it is important to show the transcription in a text box.
Yeah, I agree
What
because
it
we
is being
need to
executed.
show an output. Yeah.
Enabling copying. I think this would be a good feature, helpful one. And during the progress of the audio file transcription, I think it is better to show the user that it is progressing. Showing the progress of the transcription is important.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
we can
Yeah, I agree.
put that in the sprint one as well.
Mhm.
So these are the user stories we will be working for sprint one. I guess that this should be doable. Okay, let's go to the board. Okay, let's see who will work on which user story. Coming to the first one, upload button for file selection. Uh, who wants to take this one?
Yeah, you can assign to me or like Steve anyone.
Yeah, I will do it.
And file upload progress, I think, Steve.
Yeah, you can put me. Yes.
Yeah. Venkat, for the upload button, what could be the story?
Yeah, it's like like what is the range between like 1 to 10 or like 1 to 100?
Maybe 1 to 10.
Let's
Yeah,
keep it
okay.
1 to 10 or 1 to 5, something like that. Because I remember he's saying that 5 is like the really big one, and then 1 through 3 are like the.
Yeah, you can keep it as 2.
Okay. And Steve, what about this upload progress?
Um, you can say 3.
3. Okay. Yeah. Option to confirm or cancel the input. Who wants to take this?
Yeah, I think you can assign it to me.
Okay. And what do you think? How many story points would it need? Venkat?
It's 3.
3? Okay. Okay. Now for the language selection for translation. Who wants to take this? Shall I take this?
Yeah,
I'm the
everyone should have equal
Yeah.
load
Since
for the
Venkat,
sprint.
you
So
already have 2 things.
Yeah, it's done from my side.
Yeah. Let me take this part. And for this one, since there is also a key point, key metric, I think we can give it a 3. A drop down for the input language selection. Okay. What about this? Who wants to?
assign it to me.
Oh, anything. Yeah. And how many
So
users to story points do you
I
think?
would say it will take hardly a day. So maybe 2 pointers would be fine.
Okay.
2.
Oh, my bad. Okay. Header display with logo. Steve, would you be willing to take this?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And how many story points do you think it need?
1.
Okay. Um, integrate AI model for audio and file input translation. Kali, would you be willing to take this?
Yeah, sure.
And how many story points do you think would it take?
Probably like
Five.
4.
4?
Yeah.
No,
5,
it
5.
should be Fibonacci series. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. Sorry, 8.
Okay, let's give it 5. What do you think, Kali?
Yep, sure.
Okay. Implement worker function. Okay. Tanvi, what do you think?
Yeah, I can take this.
Okay. Mm,
I would give it 4, 5, maybe.
5?
Yeah.
Okay, then ensure proper handling and order of messages. Who would take this? Kali and Tanvi. It can be you.
I think I can take this since I'm handling the incoming messages, so it would be
Yeah,
um
makes sense.
back to back.
And what about the story points?
Probably I'll give it 3 or 4.
3?
3, yeah.
Okay. And about this, convert audio file into audio data. What about this?
I could do that.
Okay. And how many points would you give us?
Probably 3.
Okay. Hmm. Convert audio file into audio data. Okay, this is done. Send audio data for transcription. Okay. Pawan, would you take this?
Yeah, sure. You can assign it to me.
Okay. And how many points would you give it?
3.
Okay. display transcribed text into the text program. I will take this one. This is also an important one since the transcript one should be shown to the user. I think it's a 5. Okay, enabling copying transcription from the text box.
Yeah, I'll be taking.
Sure. And since it's a small one, I think how many points would you give?
It's 2.
So, and for the last one, show the progress of the audio file transcription. Okay, who would take this?
Put it on my name.
Okay. How many story points did you get this on?
For the progress, maybe 1 or 2. So let's take 2.
Okay. So we are done with the task planning.